Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to calculate average in Excel with text. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have some student data with the subject marks and some text is available. So here I'm going to calculate average marks. Okay, so let's start. So simply select the cell and use the is equal to and just enter the average and select the average functions, and here the select the range of data with text. After that, bracket closed and enter. Here you can see with the text the average amount also calculated. Okay, here the average functions ignores the text and other numbers is considered and calculate the average. So drag the below this formula, same as here you see the average amount is calculated to ignore the text. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.